Good afternoon, students. It is Tuesday, March 24th. It is 2:12 p.m., 42 degrees outside. I just want to quick go through some problems on angle depression since some of you are having a couple issues with it. So I'm going to do two different types of problems that you might encounter, so take a look. This first one here is just your standard looking for the angle of depression. That is this value of x right here. I'm just going to do angle of depression. Just like that. So the key to this problem, let me make this the key angle of depression. So the key to this problem is you have to use this angle here. I'm going to call it angle Y. We have to use this angle because that's the one that's inside of our triangle. Okay. So we actually need to use this angle here to figure out this angle of depression. How we're going to do that is in reference to angle Y, we can use our trig ratio. We're given these two side lengths. This is the side that's adjacent to Y. This is the side, the 30 is the side that's opposite of it. So the trig ratio that uses adjacent and opposite is tangent, TOA. So we can set up a ratio. The tangent of angle Y is, again, SOHCAHTOA is opposite over adjacent. It equals 30 over 12. All right. So 30 over 12 tangent of Y equals 2.5. Now the tangent of Y equals 2.5. So what we need to do is to find what Y is, you need to use your calculator. You find the inverse tangent of 2.5, and that will equal our angle, this value of Y. Inverse tangents on your calculator, you usually need to hit the second button to find it, either if it's on your iPhone or if it's or one of the scientific ones like the ones we have in class. But inverse tangent of 2.5 is approximately, I'm going to do a little bit of approximation, 68.199 degrees. I'm trying to be a little bit exact here. So this angle measure here is 68.199 degrees. Last thing you need to do is to find what the angle of depression is. One thing to note is that this here is a right angle. It will always be a right angle. You have a horizontal line and you have a vertical line. So they're perpendicular, they form a right angle. So to find what this x is, just take 90, that 90-degree angle, subtract what you found that inside angle to be. So 90 minus 68.199. And you'll find that our angle of depression, x, is approximately 21.8 degrees. And there's our problem. Down here, here's this Eiffel Tower one. This one, you're given the angle of depression, you need to find the side length. So we kind of work on this a little bit backwards, but again, this is a right angle that we have here. So we're looking for that value of x. So we'll first take 90 and subtract that 70. And we'll find that this inside angle here is 20 degrees. Now, again, we have an adjacent side, this 1063, and we're looking for the opposite side, which is x. So we can set up our problem. Tangent of 20, tangent of that angle, equals opposite over adjacent equals x over 1063. If we find the tangent of 20, we get a value. It's approximately 0.3639 equals x over 1063. Our last step is to just multiply each side by 1063 in order to get x by itself. So that value times 1063, x will be approximately 386.9. And we're done. So hopefully this helps a little bit. If you have questions, make sure you contact me so I can help you. But hopefully doing these two problems will help you with angle depression. I'll talk with you guys soon again.